Hi, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of the TrustIsYou.com and a brand new podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. Today, we're going to talk about long-term capital gains. If you want to know what's going to be going on, I want to read the statement to you so you know exactly what capital gains are. This comes from the IRS Tax Tip 2003-29. They say that almost everything you own and use for personal purpose, pleasure, or investment is a capital asset. Talk about a very large or very broad topic. That's not fair. So I want to go over this for this blog because so many people do not know what long-term capital gains are. By law, long-term capital gains is anything longer than a year when you sell it, and it will be either 15% or 20% of the sale. I don't care if it's a building, if it's a business, or what's happening there. This is going to be important. I just signed a contract with the second largest business broker out there selling businesses because they did not know that their clients had to pay long-term capital gains. I just had a client, true story. His son saw one of my videos on YouTube, saw one of my videos on TikTok before Christmas, showed it to his dad. The father was selling a 42-year-old family restaurant in Kentucky and that they were planning to move to Florida. Dad saw the video, the father's never been on TikTok. The father didn't even know how to get on Zoom. So his son put him on Zoom and we discussed things. I said, yes, I can save you the capital gains. I knew how much he was going to sell his restaurant for, $3 million, everything in it, the food, cutlery, the booths, the recipes, everything was going into it. I said, but we do need to talk to your business broker because he has to change the paperwork. So after Christmas, we got on the phone call with his business broker. This business broker did not know that he was going to have to pay capital gains. And this is the scary part of it. He's selling his restaurant March 15th. He would not pay the capital gains until April 15th of 2024. Talk about having to save money that you're not aware of that you have to save money. So we got the business broker just had to change the name on the paperwork, not too hard. It's all computerized. Just change the name to the trust name. The gentleman, his name's Jim. He started the trust. He filled out the paperwork. We gave him the EIN number. He opened up a bank account. He's not going to have to pay for the trust until he gets paid for the restaurant. That's important. He didn't have to pay for the trust up front. So again, I'm not the CPA. I can't tell you if it's going to be 15% or 20%, but I did give him the figures. I said either because it's $3 million, you're either going to be saving $450,000. Again, let me say this one more time, $450,000 or $600,000. That's a lot of money. So they were signing the paperwork. I sent them a gift to say thank you for being a client of mine. And later that afternoon, I saw it was a phone number coming from Kentucky. I normally don't answer my phone if you're not in my phone base because who knows who's calling. So I picked up the phone. It was his wife crying happy, happy tears. She's like, I did not know how much you were saving us. $450,000 means so much to my husband and I. I'm like, I do a lot for $450, let alone $450,000. She was so happy. We made a joke about, I forget the guy's name, but he finds lottery houses for people. So they're going to look for a condo in Florida that's only $450,000. Say that it's our lottery winnings. She also said that she will never yell at her son for bringing his phone to the kitchen table again because of him watching TikTok, they got to save so much money. Now this is important. With this specialized trust, it does go from generation to generation. So the husband and wife, he's 69, she's 68. It does go to their 3 children, and now they have 5 grandchildren. All of them will be protected just like the Rockefellers. It also will keep your information 100% private. And then the most important thing is there will be no judgment if you're sued. Hopefully you won't be sued, but you own nothing, control everything. There's no money, so why would someone want to sue you? So with this family, this is long-term capital gains. He had the restaurant for 42 years. He's now selling the restaurant, and he's saving at least $450,000. If I can help you save money, I would love to do that too. My name is Sally Gimmon. My website is thetrustisyou.com. And then my new podcast is called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. Take care. Bye bye.